We seem to be poised and ready to watch the Supreme Court rule in favor of New York Rifle and Pistol Club versus Corlett, allowing and opening up constitutional carry coast to coast. Now, not going to get into what this case represents, but the general idea is it's your right to carry. New York restricts people's rights to carry, and now there's a lawsuit that's made it all the way to the Supreme Court. It was tried in November, and we're about to hear anytime between May and the end of the summer what the results of that will be. Now, before we kind of begin to celebrate that, I want to kind of show you what took place the last time the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Second Amendment and how it really caused even further infringement by the states. Now, what I'm talking about is on July 28, 2010, the Supreme Court upheld gun owners' rights within the home on a national basis. And that was based off of the 2008 5-4 decision of District of Columbia versus Heller. What this is in regards to is DC law restricted unlicensed functional handguns within the homes they said violated the Second Amendment. But of course, the Supreme Court saw otherwise, voting in favor of citizens' rights to have firearms in the home. Now, after this, Justice Antonin Scalia wrote that the Second Amendment protects an individual's right to possess a firearm unconnected with service in a militia. However, the biggest problem with this decision and how it all played out was that Justice Alito said of this decision that it does not address the Second Amendment's ability to protect against state infringements of a person's right to bear arms. In other words, they're saying, well, this showed that you do have the right to have a fire in the home, but it doesn't specifically address states' infringements on that right and consequences of those, because states have a level of sovereignty to generate many laws as they deem necessary, and of course all those officials are voted in. So oftentimes we see states go the way that the citizens want it to go. So when you see New York State and California and Illinois going the way that they're going, it's because the citizens continue to vote for those officials. And that further then infringes on a person's rights. And here we are, 13 years later, still dealing with the infringements of people's rights in states. So I bring this all up because I specifically want to address that once this opens up, what you're going to see, and states are already looking at how they can then still infringe, further infringe, even when this case comes out in favor of the Second Amendment. So we'll keep taking a look at it, but I just want to kind of bring up the past to show you that depending on, it's not just saying, well, you win, it's how it's worded is very significant, and that's kind of the problem with that 2008 Heller decision. So love to hear any thoughts or insights you have on this. Put in the comments below. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. If you feel called to support this channel with Patreon, that link is also below. But the most important part of this channel is we take prayer requests, so don't ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.